Can you help me?
Have you got a moment, Peter? I've got a problem with my computer.
Oh, I don't know very much about computers, and I'm going out. They're waiting for me at the theater.
Always busy, eh?
Okay, Sharon. Take it easy. Shall we have a look?
Thanks, Peter. You've got a big heart.
Let's see if I can help before you thank me.
All right. I can't use this program. I use it every day, and today it isn't opening.
Why don't you turn the computer off and then turn it on again?
Okay, Peter. That's really a great idea. You are a genius. What would I do without you?
I know, my dear. What are you working on?
I'm writing my curriculum because I would like to find a new job. Listen, Peter. I don't know how to write it. Can you help me, please?
I'm sorry, Sharon. I'm in a hurry. I have no time. I'm late. They're waiting for me.
Very kind as usual. Listen, Peter, Anne, Alice, and I are going to the cinema this evening. Would you like to come?
I'd like to, but I can't. I have to
go to the theater. Yes, I know. You always have something else to do.
Come on, Sharon. What's the problem? Maybe you are jealous of my career.
Oh, Peter, I'm just tired of always coming second. Hi, Anne. Housework come?
Yes, at last.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure. How are you and Peter?
We're fine, thanks. Listen, I want to go to that bookshop. Do you remember?
Oh, yes. The one with lots of photography books.
Yeah.
And thriller books?
Yeah.
And with the red coffee tables and flowers on the windows?
Yeah.
Where you can sit down and find a delicious hot chocolate?
Yes, Anne, that's the one.
The London Reader. It's a great place.
Yes. How do I get there? Is it far?
You can walk from here. It's about 10 minutes away.
Great.
Okay, let's see. Go out the front door and turn left.
Easy enough.
Go straight ahead, past the traffic light.
Right, straight ahead, past the traffic lights.
Turn right into June Lane.
June Lane.
Follow June Lane to the end of the street and turn right on May Avenue.
Just a moment. Turn left on May Avenue?
No. Turn right onto May Avenue. And the bookshop is... Hi, Sharon. What are you girls talking about? I'm giving Sharon directions for the London Reader. So, turn right onto May Avenue, and the bookshop is the second shop on the left, next to the butcher. No, Anne. Sharon, the bookshop is on the right,
past the museum and between a chemist's and a bank.
No, Jack! You are wrong. The bookshop is...
Okay, guys, be quiet. Don't worry, I've got my map.
Sharon, I can come with you, if you don't mind.
Great! That's very kind of you, Jack.
Jack, housework. Do you remember?
Hey, Alice. What are you doing? Do you mind giving us a hand with the housework, please?
Can't you see? I'm cleaning the computer.
I see. Why is the computer on?
Just a moment. I don't understand how to connect to the internet on this computer. Can you help me?
Okay, but just for one moment.
Thanks, Jack.
Okay, click on that icon.
What's an icon?
That symbol on the screen.
Do you mean this picture of a telephone?
Yes, click on that.
Right. Now what?
Enter your username and password.
Okay.
And click on that button there.
Click on that button.
And now you are connecting to the internet.
Hey, that's easy.
It's very easy, Alice. You're hopeless with computers. And with housework, too. Come on, Alice. It's time to clean up this mess now.
Jack, where were you yesterday evening?
Why?
There was a great party at Mary's.
Really? I wasn't invited.
I can't believe that. Everyone was invited.
I'm sure I wasn't. Anyway, I was busy yesterday.
Ah, did you have a meeting with some clients?
No, I didn't.
So, what? Where were you?
I was with Robert at the Red Lion pub.
That's impossible. Robert was at the party.
Oops, I always get them mixed up. I was with Charles.
Charles was at the party too. Come on, Jack. Who were you with?
You're too curious, Alice. Okay. I was with a girl.
Ooh, and?
And what?
Well, what's her name? Do we know her? How old is she?
Stop, Alice, stop. It's none of your business.
Okay. You don't want to tell us, That's okay. I like a mystery. It makes life exciting. Well, let's change the subject. Peter, where were you yesterday evening? Why weren't you at the party?
I was at the theater. We're preparing a performance.
And you, Sharon? Where were you?
Me?
Where were you?
I was at home watching a film on TV.
Which one?
The latest film starring Nicole Kidman. What's the name? Yes, Moulin Rouge.
Really? That's strange. I remember. Here, look! It's on TV today.
Really? Oh, they always show the same stuff on TV. Oh, don't get up. I'll get the door.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.